Okay, did you got that? Let me quickly explain this, okay? It's actually pretty fun. If you think about it, the power that you have. Make myself a little bit smaller, more humble. Let's get started. So, in order to do that, pretty simple, just to get everything here, copy, you know what, paste it here, okay? And this time, instead of using this, I've just used this side. Shift to the right. So instead of left shift, just change that to right shift. And then left shift, right shift by 1. And then using the right shift, but Redis 2 version is right shifted, Redis 2. As simple as that. So if you run this, you should be able to see the result. And let's just make sense of the result here. Okay? So let's zoom in. The original data set is 28. Okay? But I want Redis to be 2, that means this 11100. You shift left shift and then left shift by 1, okay? So you're just adding an empty 0 to this because you shift everything here. You got like 0 here, 0 fill that, right? Everything 11100 just shift to the left. So it'll be 11100, but this empty because everything just shifts to the left, right? This empty space got filled by 0, okay? And this number left shift by 1 just become, you know, because it's like a bigger. Okay, let me just using a pen to write it down for you. Okay, so for example, 11100 shift left 1, so 11100 empty, fill that by 0. Okay, so this is like a bigger number. Okay, binary terms is a bigger number, and it's a binary. So as I said, it's a multiply by the 2 and then it's n. Shift the left, that n will be 1 because shift by 1. So that means the original data is 28 and we multiply that by 2 because it's 1. Okay? And we got this result of 56. Exactly the same as the 56. Okay? Just get it? And same goes for shifted by right, okay? 1 by right, to the right. So 11100 become 111 and 0, okay? So it's relatively a smaller number when compared to the original number. So basically it's like a -1, okay? That means it's divided by the 2 raised to the power of 1. So if you divide that, that will be like divided by 2, so 14. Okay, look at here, 14, exactly the same. Boom. That's how bitwise operation works. That's basically how computer works in the lowest level. You think about it. Just to pause a moment to think about it. How powerful it is. You can actually shift a bit left, right, and change it. And that's basically how binary Redis 2 works. 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so yeah, good practice, right?